Alright. Hello guys, welcome to Minions vs. Walls Part 3. I just had an announcement, but I didn't finish it. Last time I just had a fight with Mom. And anyways, let's continue. Alright, I'm at round 10. I'm at round 10. Why am I not doing it then? Oh my God, it's right here. Oh. Round 11. I'm gonna win this time. Double punch. Yeah, I win.